Please go ahead.
Hey, hello, Suresh. Hello, everyone. It has been a very fantastic course. It was organized pretty well. I think the details, the concepts, in terms of examples, the use cases that were sort of picked up, really very helpful. At least I come from a Scrum and Agile background, and I work as a program manager, managing multiple programs in an Agile sphere. We have been sort of getting into the AI sphere using quite a few tools internally within our company. This definitely gives a different perspective, a different view aspect to it. Thank you so much. It has been really beneficial for us. Great learning. Looking forward to more learnings at your end. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rangnath. That is very, very encouraging for me and my team. Thank you once again. Let's go with Chaitra.
Hi, Suresh. Hi, everyone. Suresh, the session was great, very interactive. I think most of the time we very commonly we see presentations, slides, and then somewhere we might lose some attention, right? But it wasn't like that. It was very interactive. We had a very beginner, at least I had a very beginner level understanding, but I'm sure I am taking away, how to even create, at least at an intermediate level, how to create the AI prompts so that I get the right answers. So I would surely work on more on the inputs what you have shared and looking forward for more such sessions. Thank you so much for all the efforts, and it was great to be part of this.
Thank you so much, Chaitra, and I'm very, very glad you had that initial beginner experience, and at least you feel that there is a journey, and then we all are improving every day. And thanks for highlighting a key agile aspect that continuous improvement is the key. Yeah, thank you. We'll go with Soumya next. Just hold on. Yeah, there you go.
Hey Suresh, hi everyone. Suresh, I think I have attended your CSM and CSPO also. I have seen that your sessions were always interactive, especially the breakout rooms were quite helpful. And here, when actually still saw AI for Scrum Masters, I just expected few AI topics you would cover, but the way you have put in the prompt, the way you have explained about prompts and also helped us understand, I think that's one thing which everybody would appreciate. And also, I think the WhatsApp group which you are talking about, that would help all of us. That would be an added advantage. Thanks for all your efforts to your team and you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Soumya.